Yeah, the pear's missing, isn't it? That's where the pear would go. Grapes. Apple. Yummy apple, yeah. Where's the banana? You see the banana? There's the banana. You like the apple, don't you? Let's see, where did we get this puzzle from? From Grandma and Grandpa. Yeah. The grapes. Yeah. Banana. Apple. Good job, buddy.
What?
Grapes. Yeah. Yeah. Banana. Banana, yeah. Upside down. Turn it the other way. Can you turn it? Here, this way. I'll show you. This way. Yeah, good job. Yeah, the pear's missing, isn't it?